pay much attention if you're driving a hybrid and electric vehicle. Part 2 of the Toyota Prius Generation 3, which had the traction warning light, the hybrid malfunction warning light, the engine check, and the parking brake warning light on the instrument cluster, has been fixed, and we are going to be going through the rewind of what we did. And if you have any problem of hybrid and electric vehicles, not forgetting BMW and Mercedes, please feel free to book appointment. So we are repairing based on information, as you can see what we mean. So that is repair based on information, and this is the high voltage battery pack, as you can see right about here. And in real sense, this is it. Let me bring it closer here. So this is the high voltage battery pack, and the customer complaint is this: the exclamation mark and the traction warning, which is a vehicle with the sliding or skidding warnings right about there, and that warning of a triangle. Also it has this warning of check hybrid system. The same applies to the engine check light, which is right about there, and the handbrake or the parking brake warning light. We're going to fix this together with MugaluTheCarGuy. So we have hooked on the diagnostic. Let's run down and see. Okay, in the hybrid control, we have hybrid battery voltage sensor B, circuit low. It is a pending code. At the same time, it is a current code. So now, after doing the diagnostics, we went ahead and accessed the traction battery, which is located between the trunk or the boot and the rear seats. So we did our physical inspection on all the circuit, the contactor points, and now later we also went ahead to service this traction battery, which we brought into our HybridEvHub. You can as well follow us on the social media platform at HybridEvHub. And now, do you see that is self-fashion, which comes up as a result of thermal efficiency not maintained well by the cooling fan and blockage and edge. So we went ahead to service the traction battery, individual modules and blades, and we disconnected. So now, after the intense wiring, diagnostics, troubleshooting, and following wire by wire, we are able to restore the eco mode, the EV mode. The AC now could go on effortlessly, and all when the engine is running, I mean when it is at the ready mode, we are able to have full performance, as you can see right about here. Remember, when it was at the ready mode, it was not it was showing many lights of the triangle and the hybrid malfunction system. Now the dashboard is really clear. So we are going to hit the road for the test drive to confirm the customer complaint. As you can see now, the energy monitor is displaying the engine now can charge the traction battery via the inverter converter assembly. At the same time, regenerative braking is happening when you step on the brake while the vehicle has been running on a coast. And we are good to go, and we can confirm that we have fixed this Toyota Prius hybrid, which had warning at the ready mode, and now it doesn't have any warning whatsoever. We have done the diagnostics, wiring. We shall fit back all those, and the customer will be happy. So we are glad, and we are very happy that you keep up following all our videos and liking and sharing. Don't forget to leave the comment for what you need to know more about hybrid and electric vehicles. Soon we are introducing a master class for hybrid training for technicians who are already in the video, who are already in the system and are willing to upgrade their electricity game for vehicles. So feel free. We are the home of BMW, Mercedes-Benz hybrid and EVs. We out. That's the energy monitor which I'm talking about for the test drive. Peace.
Made in Germany. Das war mal ein Begriff. Die Welt hat uns bewundert. Für unsere Produkte, für unseren Erfindungsreichtum, die natürlich entspringt aus einem vernünftigen Bildungssystem.